There's only a couple of videos on YouTube that teach you how to do this, how to file your annual return. And I want to make this simple for people who have registered a Canadian federal corporation. And maybe you're sitting there wondering, file my annual return. What does that mean? File my taxes and then my business won't get dissolved? Well, if you're literally at that stage where you don't understand, this video is perfect for you. If you're a little bit beyond that, this video is still perfect for you. Because I'm going to break it down and make it so simple. All these videos don't get right to the crux of it, and I want to explain it to you now. Your actual tax return, I believe your T2 tax return for your corporation, is different than your annual return. So when you're getting those notices that say you need to file your annual return, and then later on after 2 years, automatically Corporations Canada will say, your business is pending dissolution, file your annual return. It is not referring to your business taxes, not your corporate tax. It's referring to literally a web page that you need to go to and say, my business is still active, board of directors are still the same, and either there is address change or there's no address change. Done, file for $12. That's it. That is what an annual return is. And right now I'm going to take you to my computer. I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to file an annual return, because we're going to do mine together. Everything starts with a Google search and just knowing how to click the right link. I'm going to add it there for you as well so you can click it. But it's as simple as file annual return Canada for corporation. Obviously spell there. You don't even have to spell the country right. That's how beautiful Google is. And then, as you can see, Canada.ca, we always want to look for the government website. We don't need to go to Intuit. We don't need to go to, we're not talking about tax return. We're doing a corporate return. Remember, there are two totally separate things. The CRA and Corporations Canada, they keep different records. They share a little bit, but the thing is, when you want to dissolve a corporation, you don't go to the CRA, you go to Corporations Canada. And when you want to file an annual return, look how easy it is. If you were stressing this process, I just want to let you know it is this button and it's $12 online. So once you get here, you realize, wow, it's simpler than I thought. And you click here. You continue to sign in. This is where I'm going to pause you because you have to use either a GC key or banking info. I just signed in with my bank. So I click sign in. I'm going to click the sign in partner. It's going to bring up all the banking options. I'm going to pause and come back. So it's that simple. I have used my banking information and it says here that there's no corporation associated with my account. We can just search for the corporation. Mine is Nadernejad Media Incorporated and do a search. It's right here. Well, it was right there. Let's do it again. Okay. And as you can see, my corporation is active. It has a business number. It has an address, which we need to update very soon. All I need to do is add my corporation key here, and then I can move on to the next step. Actually, pretty sure I can just move on to the next step without the corporate key. That's correct. You've chosen to file the annual return for this company. I can hit next again. I just make sure this information is up to date. Let me pause. And now we're on this page. So you can follow all the steps. It's very, very easy. I'm drinking a tea and doing it in literally 10 minutes. It's going to cost $12. As you can see here, 2023 is due to be filed by December 20th. I filed the other ones. As you can see, I had no idea how to do this, and we were doing business and we got business pending dissolution, filed the corporate taxes, filed my personal taxes, updated the CRA, and then I said, why is it still pending dissolution? And that's when I realized this is a totally separate online filing center. I went in and on the same day, I filed 2 returns. It was literally 2 months ago. Right? And then I got an email. The third one's due now, but the corporation went back into active status and out of pending dissolution status. And so now I'm going to file this return, complete the info. I'm not going to show you everything because it's really intuitive. I'll actually show you some of it because I want you to see how simple it is. 2023 is the year that I'm filing the return for, right? It's the one that's due. So I'm inputting that, and then I put the date of our annual meeting, which all this stuff is public, the day of my birthday. on my birthday, we all meet and we say, hey, I'm another year older, and is a corporation doing well? Do we need some more shareholders? How many billions are in the bank? And we do that, and obviously we're non-distributing corporations. We don't file stock or securities, none of that stuff, too much headache. I made an error, actually. I'm saying that the annual meeting was on my birthday. It's not, it's in 2023. So make sure you're reading it correctly, and now it should work. Also, shareholders, as you can see, I had to select that we have 50 or fewer shareholders. We have one, it's just myself, and in January we will have one more shareholder, so it's less than 50. So now, in this stage, it's 3 of 5, I'm going to actually download the annual return, review it. You don't actually have to print the PDF. I sign it digitally, and I save it locally on my computer and also in the cloud in a Dropbox. So you have to keep these records just to say, yes, I have my 2023 filing. Legally, you have to keep it. But you don't have to send anything. You don't have to upload anything. Now that you've done this, you just download it, sign it, and save it. Government needs nothing. You just go to the next stage, and then you pay the fee using a business credit card or whatever credit card, and it's filed. You're active. You have filed your return. It is that simple, so you don't need to stress the process at all. And now, as you can see very easily, I'm in step 5 of 5. I proceed to payment. I type in my credit card info, and I'm totally done. That's it. You filed your annual return. Congratulations. No more stress. And so now I have the following request has been submitted to Corporations Canada. Confirmation email has been sent. So my friends, that is it. That is how you file a federal corporate return. I hope this video helps somebody out. If you're looking to incorporate your business, I made another video on that. Just type in those keywords and my name, and you should be able to find that video. I try to make these videos very, very clear. I've taught dozens of courses online in the past, so just about making it succinct and easy. If you want a tutorial on anything else, drop me a comment down below. And of course, if you need reputation management services, I'm here to fix your reputation too. Check out Nadernejad Media, channel link in the description below.